Are you preparing for physics WASSCE? Do you know that the first theory question you might be attempting is most likely to be on dimensional analysis? Let's break it down and make it simple. The question says that the force acting on the wing of an aircraft moving through a velocity v, density rho, is given by the equation F is equals to k, v raised to the power of x, rho raised to the power of y, and a raised to the power of z, where k is a dimensionless constant and a is the surface area of the wing of the aircraft. Use dimensional analysis to determine the values of x, y, and z. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to rewrite this equation that you are given as dimension is equals to k, v raised to the power of x, the dimension of rho raised to the power of y, and the dimension of a raised to the power of z. Now, what is the dimension of f? From our last class, we know that the dimension of f, which is force, is what? ml t raised to the power of minus 2. Now, in the question, they have told us that k is a what? Is a dimensionless constant. That means it does not have dimension. So we move to the next one that we have here, which is what? Velocity. We know that velocity is what? Lt raised to the power minus 1 x. Now you can see I'm no longer using the square bracket I was using for the dimension. So for rho, that is the density. I have it as what? ml raised to the power minus 3 y. Then I have a, well, that's the area, to be what? L square raised to the power of z. Alright, so the next thing I need to do here is to open the bracket. So I have lt raised to the power minus 2 is equals to, when I open this bracket, L times x. So the next thing I need to know is to what? Is to open the bracket. I'm going to have L raised to the power of x, then t raised to the power of minus x. That is for this. Now for the next one, I have m raised to the power of y, and then L raised to the power of minus 3y. Then the last one is L raised to the power of what? 2z, because all these powers are multiplying what we have in the bracket. Alright, so the next thing from the law of indices, we know that, let's rewrite this, is equals to, I have L, L, and L here. That means I can merge them together. So I have L raised to the power of x, plus, minus 3y plus 2z. Alright, so the next one I have here is t raised to the power of minus x, then m raised to the power of y. Alright, so for clarity, since I have m, l, and t here, I can rewrite this mlt minus 2. I can also rewrite this in terms of m, l, and t. So my m will be coming here, m raised to the power of y, l, x minus 3y plus 2z, and t raised to the power of minus x. Alright, so because I have mlt minus 2 and I have all of these, I can equate them. So I can say that for m, my m here is raised to the power of 1 is equals to m raised to the power of y. So I can say that y is equals to 1 because they have the same powers. For the next one, I have L, that's for L. My L also here is also raised to the power of 1. But my L here is equals to what? X minus 3y plus 2z. So if you look at this, we have about 3 unknown here. Although we have gotten y, so we need x and z. So we need to get them one after the other. So let's move to t. So for t, I have that my t is raised to the power of minus 2 is equals to, what is my t here? Is raised to the power of minus x. So I can say that if my t cancels out, I have what? Minus 2 is equals to minus x. So I have that what? My x is equals to 2. I can come back to L since I have x and y. So if I come back to L, I have that my L here is raised to the power of 1 is equals to L raised to the power of x minus 3y plus 2z. So if my L cancels, I'm going to have 1 is equals to, what is my x here? 2 minus my y is 1. So 3 times 1 will give me 3. 3 plus 2 is 2z. Alright, so I have 1 is equals to 2 minus 3 plus 2z. So I have this as 1 is equals to 2 minus 3. That's going to give me minus 1 plus 2z. So if this one crosses over, I'm going to have 1 plus 1 is equals to 2z. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2 is equals to 2z. So I can divide both sides by 2 over 2. So I have my z to be equals to 1. Right, so you can see that we have been able to solve this question. One thing you should note about dimensional analysis is that whenever you are solving it, you should always indicate your square brackets to show that you are talking about dimensional analysis. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'm Ganiat of the GP Effect Academy, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.